Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to sign PDFs that are emailed to you with the Adobe Fill and Sign app. We will look at both the iPhone and the Android app. First, let's dive into the iPhone app. So first you're going to open up your email client and you're going to open up the email, click on the email attachment, and in the upper right corner hit the send to, and you're going to scroll down and hit save to files, and you'll click on my iPhone and hit save, so it saves to your local iPhone directory. Then you'll exit out of your email app and open up the Adobe Fill and Sign app. And you'll click on select a form to fill out, hit File Browser, choose Browse in the lower right, and hit Browse in the upper left so that way you can go to the On My iPhone location. We'll use our example contract that we just downloaded. We'll tap anywhere to jump into the contract, and we'll hit the little signature or pen looking icon in the bottom to create a signature. We'll put in our test signature here. You would put yours in here, and then you can drag and drop it onto the location you need to put your signature. If you need a date field or something else you need to type in, you can just click anywhere on the example contract or your PDF here and type in your date. Then we'll hit the share button icon in the lower right and go ahead and re-email that back to the location we need to email that to. And that's it for the iPhone. Same procedure essentially for the Android, it's just that the buttons will look a little bit different. So we'll click on our email, we'll download our email to our local hard drive. When we get it, we go to our notifications and click on the PDF we just downloaded, use Adobe Fill and Sign to open it, and then the same procedure. Go ahead and hit the pen icon in the upper right to create our signature. Just like that. We'll drag and drop it onto the line we need to use it or wherever we need to put into our PDF. Just do a simple click to be able to start typing if we need to include a date. As you probably also notice, when you click on the pen, you have the option to use initials too in case you need to initial anywhere on the PDF. From here, we'll hit the share icon on the upper right, pick our location, and here we'll use an email to be able to share it back to the place that we want to share it to. In this case, it's myself. And that's it for how to use the Adobe Fill and Sign app. Thanks very much, guys, for watching.